What do you got going on here today?
I am building a welding bench.
Okay.
I've needed a welding bench for a long time, and I just finally built one now.
Okay.
And I get a lot of practice building my welding bench.
Okay. Well, let's see it.
Here we go. These welding rods, you don't have to bang it, you just
That's pretty good. Not too bad of a weld there.
I'm learning. I'm getting lots of practice.
I see this. How did you build this thing?
Well, I bought a rototiller for the back of my tractor, and it came in this metal frame.
Right.
And then I had an old 50-year-old trailer sitting back in the weeds.
Mm-hmm.
And for the top, I cut the sides off it for the top. That should have been another video, but that didn't make it.
Nope, that didn't make it.
So
you cut them apart, and now you're welding the sides on the...
This angle iron was
top?
already welded to the metal from the trailer.
Right.
So I cut it and put it on here. Now I'm welding the top on, and then it wasn't quite wide enough. I had to piece the top, so afterwards I'll flip it up, and then I'll weld that joint.
Right. But for now, just a side joint. For now, just a side joint.
Yep.
Okay. The camera gets all funny when the welder gets close.
Yeah, I don't know if those things are designed to
capture welding.
It's kind of light.
I'm not sure, but we're giving it a shot here. Okay. Seems like when the closer you get, got a little fire going on there.
Foam. This was welding over top of where
Right. We clamped it together and whatnot, and
I had just tack welded it along.
Right.
Now I'm welding the whole seam. Once I wire brush it, it'll look a little better.
Not terrible.
I'm not a welder, but I can get metal to stick together.
Okay, well, we'll come back in a little while.
I'm going to finish this side until I get the center welded down.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to flip her over.
Yeah.
Watch, Joe.
Oh, hold on. You get all the welding finished up, finally.
Yeah, as much as
and part of it painted there. Okay. Now you gotta weld down the middle there. Hold that piece of metal down.
Yeah, I think.
Finish the top of the bench.
I think actually what we're going to have to do is flip it over and have it sitting on something that holds that together.
Right.
And then weld it from the bottom. Now that I'm looking at it.
Yeah, you got a pretty good gap on this side here.
Yeah, I'll bring the tractor over and squash it down with the tractor and then weld it. But
you could do that.
I still got to clean the edges up so I can weld it.
Right.
I use brake fluid to strip the paint off.
Brake fluid strips paint very well.
Where's my little plate right here? Yeah, it's still probably working.
Yeah. Probably need a little more brake fluid.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna. This is good enough. But it's still not hard to scrape what's left.
Right, yeah, it just peels right off. Okay. Check back later.
Okay.